If your check engine light is on and your car is running rough, a lot of times it could just be a faulty ignition coil. That's exactly what happened with this car behind me. It's a 2011 BMW. It came in because the check engine light was on and the car was running really rough. What we found is that it had 2 faulty ignition coils. We're actually replacing all 6 of them just to make sure the customer doesn't have the same issue a couple weeks or a couple months down the road. And what we did, we installed some updated ignition coils. The ones that were in the car before are these. They're made by Delphi, and they have this metal sleeve that actually ends up trapping a lot of the heat and makes the coil run hot. The ones that we put in the car right now are Bosch. They have a rubber coating all the way down that acts as insulation. So this car will be ready to go in just a few minutes. Right now we're just resetting all the modules. We got to put the engine cover back on and it'll be good to go. So if you're having any issues, your check engine light is on, you need an oil change or whatever it is, come and see us. You can reach us at 305-388-0888.